As we are about to unveil the most up-to-date meal plan of the carnivore diet, it is important for you to note that all these meals are simple and easy to prepare, yet focusing on high-protein, high-fat foods and fully align with the carnivore diet's principles. Starting off with the very critical, the breakfast meal. For breakfast on a carnivore diet aimed at boosting testosterone and aiding weight loss, consider these easy-to-manage and nutritious options. The Eggs Mania. Yes, eggs are a cornerstone in the carnivore diet meals. Rich in vitamin D and cholesterol, which is crucial for testosterone production, they're an ideal start to the day. 3 whole eggs, either scrambled or boiled, provide a good balance of protein and fats. Pairing eggs with sardines, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids, really adds to the nutrient density of the meal. Omega-3 ES are known to support hormone health and contribute to weight management. Another breakfast option is to have eggs with a side of lean turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is lower in fat compared to traditional pork bacon and still provides the necessary protein and saturated fats, beneficial for your hormone health. Lastly, a breakfast of smoked salmon is also an excellent choice. Salmon not only provides high-quality protein, but it also has the essential fats. It's particularly beneficial for those targeting weight loss and hormonal balance, thanks to its omega-3 rich content. Moving from breakfast to the mid-morning snacks. For a mid-morning snack within a carnivore diet, a great choice is a small portion of beef jerky. Opt for a natural, low-sodium variety to avoid excess salt. Beef jerky is not only rich in protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance and satiety, but it also contains zinc, a mineral which is highly crucial for testosterone production. Another option for the mid-morning snack is a few slices of chicken breast, either cold or lightly grilled. Chicken is a lean protein source and really helps in keeping you full until your next meal, thereby aiding you in an efficient weight management. And if you want to get really credible and useful info about your health and fitness, subscribe now to Shape Squad, as we regularly bring extremely practical and science-backed stuff solely focused on enhancing your overall health and wellness. Meanwhile, check out our vast range of videos on healthy diet plan options by visiting our channel. Like and share this video with the carnivore power. See you!